So I'm here at AeroDef India Manufacturing Expo, and what's interesting is this is not just an exhibition, it's a snapshot of where India's aerospace and defense manufacturing really stands today. You see global OEMs, high-precision MSMEs, advanced manufacturing technologies, all trying to solve one common challenge. How do we build capability at scale? Because self-reliance is not just about building final systems, it's about building an entire ecosystem. Materials, machining, electronics, integration, everything working together. And what stands out is behind every machine here, there are people solving extremely complex problems, often without visibility. Maybe the real story here is not just technology, but the gradual building of confidence that India can design, build, and deliver at a global level. I'll be speaking to some of the people here to understand this better, because behind every system, there is a story, and those are the stories that matter. Let's see what I discover.